Hi everyone, I'm Eileen Craig's your instructor for this class. Welcome to Personal Growth 120, College Success and Lifelong Learning. I've developed this mini orientation to acquaint you with the class, so let's go ahead and get started. On the left side of the screen, you will see several links for the class, and this is called the course menu. The course homepage is the main page for the class, where you can obtain information such as the course syllabus, my introduction, and other pertinent information regarding the course. So I recommend that you go ahead and check that out. What I'd like to do is draw your attention to the course syllabus. Be sure to look at all the details and the upcoming deadlines for the class. This is an 8-week class, and one of the things you're going to notice is that most items are due on Sundays at 5 p.m. sharp, with the exception of the last week of class. So this is an 8-week class. The last day of class always falls on a Saturday. So for week 8, the deadline is Saturday at 5 p.m. sharp. I will be sure to send the class several reminders leading up to that date. Another thing I'd like to draw your attention to is something called the concept of the 4 E's, which I use in my class. Basically, it represents 4 questions that almost need answering as you write. And I highly recommend that you go over the concept of the 4 E's when it comes to your discussions and writing assignments. With that, let's talk about providing an example of what you just shared, being able to give an experience to illustrate your responses, explaining your responses further, and giving evidence to support your responses. If you answer one or more of the questions represented by the 4 E's, you will immediately notice that you are able to begin writing more effectively and respond to the questions. If you have questions regarding the class that you think other students can benefit from, I highly recommend that you click on discussions and you will see that we have a student lounge. Go ahead and post your question or comment in the student lounge. If you have a question or comment unique to you that you would like to share, go ahead and click on messages, click on create message where you can send me a personal message. Let's see. Let's go ahead and click on Learning Modules. You will notice that there will be a discussion, a writing assignment, and a quiz due each week. With that in mind, since we are covering 2 modules each week, what this means is there will be 2 discussions, 2 writing assignments, and 2 quizzes due each week. So please be sure to make a note of that. Another thing I'd like to do is draw your attention to the video tutorial on writing assignment tips. It's really important that you view this tutorial so that you know exactly where to submit and how to submit your writing assignments. Thank you very much, everybody. I want you to know that I'm available to help you if you have any comments or questions. I'm really excited about the semester beginning, and I really hope that you had a wonderful new year. Thank you for being in the class, and I look forward to seeing you all online. Bye.